In episode 28, Yang assigns one game to each member so that their club can participate in Asian indoor games. Later, Xiaodong comes to Yiyang and says that he can skip one or two events. Yiyang replies that it doesn't matter how many medals he wins, but it's important that the team as a whole doesn't have fewer medals than others. Now, there is a meeting for the China national billiards team, and everyone is present here to attend it. The speaker starts announcing the names of the players who have qualified for each event. Yingguo and Shiran have qualified for the women's 9-ball event, while Yiyang, Xiaodong, and Chen qualified for the men's snooker. Yiyang also qualified for all the other games he participated in. The speaker announces Yiyang as the captain of this year's billiards team, and everyone applauds. Yingguo is very happy that Yiyang has qualified for all the games. Later, Yiyang is practicing at the club, and Yingguo comes to meet him. Yingguo watches Yiyang for a moment and notices that Yiyang is pressing his shoulder while playing. Upon seeing this, Yingguo comes and begins to massage Yiyang's shoulder, and asks if his shoulder is still not okay. Yiyang replies, "No, I'm fine now." Afterwards, Yiyang takes Yingguo to his room. Yingguo tells Yiyang that her mom is very happy that he has qualified for all the events. Yiyang responds, "I made a promise to your mom, so I had to fulfill it." Yingguo remarks, "You've already become popular even before the training camp." Yiyang expresses his happiness, saying, "I'm really glad that Yingguo, such a renowned player, is praising me." Yingguo informs Yiyang that she wants to see the files of his past competitions. Yingguo clarifies that she means the files of those competitions when Yiyang was young. Yiyang jokes that his height was the same as hers when he was young. Yingguo tells him to stop joking and show her the files. Now, Yiyang, Yingguo, and Wen Song search for those files. In the meantime, Chen comes here. Wen Song asks Chen about those files, and Chen informs them that Mr. He kept those files separately. Chen takes out the box and gives it to Yiyang. Inside it, there is a CD and a player. He puts the CD in the player and plays it. In the video, Mr. He is practicing with Yiyang. Seeing this, Yiyang becomes emotional. Yingguo holds his hand, and Yiyang smiles at her. Now, when Yiyang and Yingguo return to the room, Yiyang asks her if she is happy now. Yingguo says yes and asks Yiyang to sit down. She brings shaving equipment for Yiyang and tells him that before going to the camp, she wants to do something. Yingguo, while shaving, congratulates him, saying that he has defeated all his opponents. Yingguo says they are going to the camp for training tomorrow, and Yiyang will be the captain, so he has to listen to her every word today. Yiyang smiles and kisses Yingguo. Later, they all head to the national billiards team training camp. Yingguo asks Lin Lin to practice with her, but Yiyang arrives and takes her with him. Yingguo asks him if he's giving her brother the chance to play against Lin Lin. Yiyang says she should worry about herself. Xiaodong and Lin Lin also feel a little awkward. Yingguo has participated in 9-ball as well as snooker. Yingguo asks Yiyang if practicing with her won't affect his training. Yiyang assures her that he will practice with his brother and Yiyang. While Lin Lin and Xiaodong are playing together, Yiyang tells Yingguo to focus on him. Hearing this, Yingguo starts laughing. Lin Lin asks Xiaodong, "Am I playing against a robot?" Xiaodong says, "You're playing well." Lin Lin says, "I didn't ask you to praise me, but can you give me some useful advice?" Xiaodong asks, "Do you think I'm going to make fun of your game?" Lin Lin replies, "I have no doubt about you, but the problem is that you never say anything, and I can't guess what you're thinking either. That's why I get upset." Xiaodong says, "Don't be upset, I'll tell you now." Yiyang says to Yingguo, "I want to show you something." He makes a heart shape on the table with balls and gives the last ball to Yingguo. Yingguo asks, "Who else has seen this?" He replies, "No one, I practiced this just for you." Yingguo throws the final ball, completing the heart on the table. Here, both are very happy. Now, as they eat, Yiyang watches Yingguo. Seeing them like this, Lin Lin also starts laughing. Lin Lin asks Yingguo, "Why don't you both publicly announce your relationship?" Yingguo explains, Yiyang is the team captain, so he can't openly date. That's why we agreed to keep it a secret for now. In the evening, Yingguo and Yiyang go out for a walk. Yingguo mentions that Lin Lin told her that Xiaodong lost to him when he was 13. Yingguo admits that he is better than Xiaodong. Yiyang responds that Xiaodong already admitted that he is better when they were 13. Yingguo asks Yiyang to be more humble, but Yiyang says there's no need for that in this field. They chat as they walk. Later, Yingguo goes back to her room. Yingguo shares a room with Lin Lin. Lin Lin asks Yingguo if something happened to her brother during his training abroad. Yingguo starts to tell her, but Lin Lin interrupts and tells her not to share anything she asked about with her brother. Yingguo agrees. Later, Yiyang sends Yingguo a message asking her to open the window. Yingguo explains that it is against the rules for him to be outside the window. Yingguo then opens the window and finds that there is nobody there, but a chocolate bar has been placed on the windowsill. Yingguo messages Yiyang asking when he placed the chocolate there. Yiyang responds, he came to the terrace earlier. Later, Yiyang practices with Xiaodong. Yiyang tells them to take a break. Yiyang expresses, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, for the three of us to be together again. Xiaodong says, we both came to Helsin, to persuade you to come here. Yiyang responds, thank you both for coming to me. Now, fast forward 2 months. When everyone is present at the airport for the competition, the display shows Yingguo's picture. Lin Lin, looking at the picture, asks Yingguo, is it your birthday today? Yingguo responds, no, why? Coach asks Yiyang, is this a surprise for your girlfriend? Yiyang replies, how could that be? We're here for the competition, so it wouldn't be appropriate. The coach suggests, it must have been done by a fan. Yiyang notices some boys approaching Yingguo, who are her fans and are showing their support. Yiyang doesn't feel good seeing this, and Xiaodong mentions that this boy used to chase Yingguo. He even contacted Yingguo's dad so that he could meet Yingguo. Later, when Yingguo and Lin Lin are in the room, Lin Lin advises Yingguo to check on her boyfriend because he might be feeling very jealous. Yingguo says he can't be jealous. He has a lot of female fans too. I've never felt jealous. Lin Lin states, you should go and check on him to make sure. Now, when Yingguo comes to Yiyang's room, Yiyang opens the door, and Yingguo asks him if Yiyang is inside. Yiyang says, yes. When she comes in, Yiyang mistakes her for Yiyang and questions why he's back. Yiyang says, I'm not in a good mood, and I haven't eaten anything since noon. Yingguo laughs upon hearing. Now, Yingguo knocks, and Yiyang asks, what do you want to say? But without saying anything, Yingguo knocks again. Yiyang removes the window curtain and is surprised to see Yingguo here. Feeling embarrassed, Yiyang quickly puts the curtain back. Yingguo finds this amusing and laughs.